Welcome to Nudisu, a fun way to practice piano patterns and ideas. Start from the welcome screen and select a lesson that matches what you want to work on today. Use the plus and minus buttons to choose how many keys or notes you want to see at a time, so the exercise fits your level. Tap play full screen to focus completely on the notes and your playing, without distractions. The helpful seek bar lets you quickly jump to any part of the lesson, so you can repeat tricky sections instantly. Pick your favorite instrument sound to make practice more inspiring. Add reverb if you want more spacious tone while you play. Adjust the speed slider to slow things down while you learn, then gradually increase the tempo as you get confident. Switch to Learn Listen mode to first hear the pattern clearly, then try playing it yourself along with the app. Download Nudisu and turn short focus practice sessions into real progress and fun.